Hi guys, it's been a while since naglakwatsa kami. And now we are back to business. Charot. Today is a bright and sunny day at nandito kami ngayon sa Monte Vista, Davao de Oro to explore the town called Jorge Town. Well, hindi naman talaga siya town, pero ito yung pangalan na napili ng recreational park na ito na napupuntahan namin today.
Pila entrance?
Yang isa ma'am, nga bata o naman
100.
Hello.
Hindi na biyari o, wala na window niya.
Thank you.
Hindi na skinas paringanan sila.
Okay, thank you.
Anyway, ito na pala yung kanilang cashier at dito ako magbabayad ng aming entrance fee. 4 years old and below seems to be free kasi wala kaming binayaran para kay Carmelo at saka kay Rohan.
It's included with the kuan. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Why are your slippers kuan different?
Because one of them is lost.
Ano ba naman yan? Sino bang nanay na to? Anyway, hanapin ko muna si Daddy at yung ibang mga kids para naman makapag-explore na kami.
Yes, my master.
So our first stop is the playground. Nasa tapat lang kasi siya ng parking lot. So pagdating namin, wala pa masyadong tao kaya naman na solo ng mga bata yung playground at nag-enjoy talaga sila dito. So far, the place is bright and colorful. So talagang ma-attract yung mga bata na maglaro dito. Pati na rin yung mga isip bata.
Carmelo, you need to hold tight. Hold tight. You're not scared?
No.
Oh, wow. You guys are so brave, the eye.
Wee!
Hello, Rohan. Ay, do not jump ha. Ang dako dre nagkonday oh. Sana.
So besides playing, mukhang pwede rin dito mag-photoshoot. In fact, halos lahat ng taong dumadaan dito ay nagpapa-pictorial, especially sa kanilang giant chessboard. However, nung dumating kami dito, yung mga chess pieces nakahandusay lang, kaya tinayo ko pa sila isa-isa. Anyway, up next is the mini zoo.
Carmelo, daddy si Carmelo guniti. Don't touch the bird. It's so big.
So apparently meron silang mga ostrich dito, something I did not expect, and they are not shy to come close to people. Mukhang may gana talaga silang magpa-picture with everybody. However, nakakalbo na sila guys. And I'm curious to know why. Kasi chismosa ako eh.
Wala, don't touch the cage, ha? 'Cause they might grab your hands.
I'm just gonna break the hands.
They'll grab your hands and they won't let go. Wala.
Monkey. It's monkey.
Monkey's eating.
Hello? It's clapping.
Ngayon naman, let's go to Japan or China. Basta somewhere in Asia. Sorry kung hindi ko alam ha. I-google nyo na lang siya.
Charot.
Dapat siya artista.
Hi.
Hello.
Single.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir.
Oh, yeah, ma'am.
I like this place. Yeah, it's so cool, isn't it? Hi.
Up next is the stairway to heaven. Or baka hindi. We don't know where this leads, pero laban lang. Basta wag kang uutot, daddy ha. By the way, sobrang init ng panahon today guys. At wala kaming umbrella. Gusto ko tuloy mahimatay sandali. At sa wakas, nakarating din kami sa tuktok after 48 years of suffering, misery, and self-pity.
Look at this place. Take off the slippers daw. And okay. Let's give it a try, guys. Ang init. Ouch. Ah! Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay. Am I scared? I am scared. Okay. Rohan, you wanna go here? Hi, guys! Hello, oy. I'm just moving my butt. Because I can't walk. Because it's so scary. It's bouncy, bouncy. Ooh, look, we're bouncing. Careful, don't go to the edge. Do not go to the edge.
Oh wait, this is like a spider web.
Hala. Okay, guys. Would you like to stand?
The spider?
Oh,
The spider?
okay.
The spider?
Okay.
That's Baba Bob.
Huh?
Baba Bob.
Is there a waterfall?
Yes.
Let's go check out the waterfall, you guys.
I just got my shoes.
Let's go, Carmelo. Diri ko na agianan. Ala! Let's go, guys. Ay, basa.
By the way, andito pala yung mga librong di ko binabasa. Kaya shout out sa mga nakaka-relate dyan. Tapos ngayon naman, relax muna kami sandali kasi kailangan namin ng energy para hanapin yung restaurant. Malapit na kasi magtanghalian at gutom na kami to the highest level. Pero bago kami nakarating doon, ay nadaanan muna namin ang Swan Lake. I'm not sure kung yun talaga ang tawag dito, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna call this the Swan Lake.
Yes, my master.
Gusto sana naming itry to kaso walang tao dito at ang layo pa ng cashier para magtanong kami kaya next time na lang ulit. Nang lood nami.
Charot.
Excuse me po, wala pa kaming lunch at wala na rin kaming energy. Nasa na ba kasi yung restaurant nila?
A few moments later.
Sa wakas, natagpuan na rin namin yung kanilang in-house restaurant.
Agad.
Doon pala siya nakalagay sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Kaya naman, kung gagala kayo dito, magbaon kayo ng maraming pagkain, tubig, payong, at lotion. Yung lotion na may sunblock ha. Samahan niyo na rin ang pamaypay at electric fan guys. Para naman hindi maagnas yung beauty nyo, no? At this point, lahat kami pagod na maliban sa batang to. Parang pinaglihi ko yata ito sa battery. Eto nga pala yung kanilang menu. Bahala na kayong magmarites dyan. Basta yung in-order namin ay yung breakfast platter with extra fried rice. Tapos isang pitcher ng mango juice. At halo-halo for dessert.
You like the crispy fish? Hotdog o siya? Do you like the bread, Dai?
I don't like toast bread.
Ayaw daw niya pero kain naman ng kain. Iba talaga nagagawa ng gutom, no?
What's wrong with your bread?
It's so toasted.
It's burned?
Yeah.
So far, masarap naman yung pagkain. Medyo sunog lang ng konti yung tinapay. Masarap din yung ginamos at saka yung fried rice. Pero yung pinaka nagustuhan ko ay yung kanilang chorizo at yung kanilang ginamos. Okay din naman yung halo-halo. It's not the best halo-halo but it's perfect for a sunny weather like today. Hindi ko masyadong bet yung mango juice nila. Parang lasang kakaiba. Or baka ako lang ba?
A few moments later.
So finally, busog na kami. So now it's time for some drone shots.
Ilabas ang baby Yorke.
So far, nag-enjoy naman kami, especially yung mga kids, kasi marami kang places na pwedeng i-explore. In fact, hindi na namin naikot lahat kasi inabutan kami ng pagod at ulan. Yes, umulan po kahit mainit yung panahon, biglang umulan. Ang saya-saya, di ba? This place is big and hiking is key sa lugar na to. Wala ditong shuttle or bike unless you rent because the best things in life are for rent.
Charot.
So if you plan to come here, make sure to bring umbrella, bring water and food, tapos make sure to bring a partner. Syempre, no, sinong pipicture sa'yo kung wala kang partner? Napansin ko lang na merong mga bote ng plastic na iniiwan kung saan-saan ng mga turista. So it's either dugyot yung mga bisita or wala talagang basurahan.
Oh, they're swimming! Bye, Goose!
Wait, is it the ugly duckling?
Oh yeah, the story of the ugly duckling.
So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it, or you learned something from it.
Yes, my master.
Also, don't forget to follow or to subscribe para updated ka sa aming next adventure. Until next time, bye!